Welcome back to my channel. This is living in Northeast LA with Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Munoz. That's me. If you're new here, remember to like and subscribe to my channel as I bring you property tours of Northeast Los Angeles housing market and adjacent areas like Los Feliz and Silver Lake. Today's first property is located at 2021 Kenilworth Avenue, LA 90039. This area is known as Silver Lake. Our next property tour is located at 5005 Los Feliz Boulevard, LA 90027. This home has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms with 2 half baths, and its listed price is $5,950,000. This home was built in 1927 and it's an English Tudor style home.